Hello everyone, this is me Bijesh Raj Pradhan welcoming you all to Prabidhilogy channel. Today, we are going to discuss some of the most important features of the Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 is the new Microsoft Windows operating system and successor to the Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 operating system. It is a familiar and flexible computer operating system like Windows 7 with the Start menu developed by Microsoft as part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. Now let us start. Start menu. As we know that previous to the January meeting, Windows 10 will mark the return of the much-loved Start menu. In the latest build shown, it has some updated graphics and can optionally go full screen. In this feature, half of the menu looks pretty much like it did in Windows 7, but there's the clear addition of live tiles. Snap Assist helps you snap windows. A new feature is Snap Assist that helps users work out. You need to do is to drag the title bar to the edge of the screen. Snap has been already available in previous versions of Windows, but some features have been added. Drag the title bar to the edge top of the screen maximum window. You can drag the left or right edge of the screen to snap the application to the right or left. Cortana. Cortana is a new feature of Windows 10. It is a voice-activated personal associate. We can use it to set reminders, get weather forecasts, tell you jokes, send an email, find files, and search the internet and so on. The digital associate, that rivals Google now, has been available on Windows Phone for a while, will come to PCs and tablets. To get started, type a question in the search box on the taskbar, or select the microphone icon and talk to Cortana. Command Prompt. This is the new feature of the command prompt is now getting keyboard shortcut, which is copy, passed on your command prompt. Specially, you can now use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V in the command prompt. The previous version has not this feature. Settings app versus Control panel. In the Start menu of the Setting option, you can take straight to the new Setting app that is involved from the PC Setting app on Windows 8. This is a more user-friendly way to arrange your computer. However, it does not contain every system. The old Control Panel window is still included. It's also available in the old Control Panel window. Xbox app and streaming. Microsoft developed the Xbox app for game streaming to Windows 10 back in January. We can meet up with friends online, see what your friends are playing. The Xbox app dashboard has been updated to support the new feature. The Xbox One app for Windows 10 is not quite ready yet. This feature allows you to leave your living room and play your favorite Xbox One games anywhere with access to your home network. This is good news for gamers as not only the Xbox One get Windows 10. Windows 10 will come with the Xbox app means although there was no indication of Windows 10 for phones getting it, which has features like the capability to control the Xbox One and a DVR capture for any Windows games. Desktop and security improvements. There are still many desktop security improvements to do in Windows 8, but we have not seen them if we have used Windows 7. Microsoft gives the features of upgraded Task Manager. It's so easy to watch requirements, resources of your system and even manages a startup program without third-party software. Windows 10 includes Windows Defender by default. Windows Defender is just changed the version of Microsoft Security Essentials. Windows Defender has antivirus protection to save your system. File Explorer. File Explorer is also known as Windows Explorer. It is a core part of the operating system. You can use the shortcut Windows+E on your keyboard. When File Explorer opens, we can access the frequently used folders and recently used files. Universal Apps. The Universal App is a Windows experience that is made upon the Universal Windows Platform, UWP. It is good news for someone using more than one Windows device. A package of apps with photos, videos, music, maps, people, and messaging, and mail and calendar will look and feel the same across different devices and screen sizes. Universal apps include a lot of back-end enhancements for developers that encourage development on Windows Phone and Windows 8. They are not completely the same in terms of code, nor does it mean that developers can just push a button to make those apps on either platform. Edge browser. Microsoft developed a new web browser called Edge. It gives you new ways to find stuff, read, write on the web. Microsoft Edge built with interoperability in mind, according to Microsoft. It's some feature that includes a reading mode and the ability to annotate, either with a keyboard, pen or a finger. There's also integration with Cortana to provide additional information. For example, when we are on a web page for a restaurant, hotel, Cortana will make a booking and display information such as opening times. Multiple desktops and task view. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. And the new task view feature makes it easy to manage all of your open windows. Action Center. The new Action Center is pretty different from previous versions of Windows. For example, it's been expanded to let you access frequently used settings, such as Wi-Fi connectivity and tablet mode. It's also where you'll see important notifications, so if your computer receives an update you'll get a notification about it here. Tablet mode. Unlike Windows 8, Windows 10 makes a clear distinction between desktops and tablets. If you're using a keyboard and mouse with Windows 10, you'll be in desktop mode by default. If your computer also has a touch screen, you can go into tablet mode at any time. Tablet users can also switch back to desktop mode if they prefer. We will discuss about some new features of Windows 10 in next video. Goodbye for today.